Welcome to this new video, and in this video now I will teach you that how to import audio from the audio library in CapCut PC and how you can adjust the volume when you drag and drop the audio in your timeline. So how you can adjust the volume of that specific audio track in CapCut. So let's move, and here you can see on the left side, on the top left side, like we have different options: media, audio, text, stickers, effects, transitions, captions, filters, adjustment, and one of them is audio. So we will proceed to the audio, and this is the audio library. You can see you can also search song name or from the artist. You can scroll down and you will find here a lot of audio tracks. If you like search, for example, pop, so you will see here like popular, weekend, popular, pop music. So you can search by popular, or see a lot of more songs has been appeared. If you like search with Titanic, for example, so with the name of Titanic, the title, Titanic, you can see a lot of the audio files related to the Titanic, like ocean and dramatic horn. So these are related to Titanic has been appeared. Or for example, if you search, for example, Hindi or like Indian song, for example, so you will find here like you can see bright Indian style, Bollywood dance, Bangla India. So for example, you want to add this one. So once you click, it will play. You can play and pause from here. Now if I want to use this track, what I will do, see, just click here on the plus icon and it will add to the track. See, this has been added to track where my playhead was. For example, if I move this playhead here, okay, and if I add here, so see, this will add here. Okay, then if we want to move at the beginning of the your project, your timeline, you can, and anywhere if you want you can do it. Okay, now this one, see, this is added, the audio has been added from the audio library. If we play, so you can see, so both you can see the video and audio, both are playing. And audio now, the next thing, as I explained in the beginning of this video, like how to adjust the volume. So you can see here when we select this audio, so in the basic settings here, you can see the volume. You can increase a bit or you can decrease. So see, when you decrease it, see this graph inside the audio layers, when you decrease it, so it will also see go bottom. So it's also decreasing. When you increase it, so it will more increase. So if you decrease it, so now you can see the volume is less. So this is the easy method. You can add audio from the audio library, according to your requirements, and then you can drag and drop in the timeline, and then you can also adjust the volume of that specific track. So I hope you have learned a lot in this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel. Please continue watching this video editing tutorial series of CapCut PC. Thank you so much once again.